Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NTEC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I offer an explanation video at that link. Did this analysis on Thursday, and after today's price movement, definitely some updates here need to be made. First thing I'm going to do, though, is a little adjustment here. And the key dynamic here is, what direction does this adjustment need to be made in? And now that we have more data, it seems as though the more generally speaking level of resistance is going to be right up there around that 32-cent mark. Now, not to insult your intelligence, but you saw that I moved that red line higher. And that's what you want to see. Assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, whenever levels of resistance need to be adjusted higher and higher, that implies that the trend is working on building itself upwards, and that's what you want to see. I mean, maybe you've heard this, just say higher highs. That's what higher highs means is, well, levels of resistance need to continually be adjusted higher and higher, and that's what that is representing. So good to see that the price was able to push higher. So 32 cents is going to be that main level of resistance going into next week. As far as levels of support are concerned, nothing new here to report. Update wouldn't be the right word. Confirmation would be probably more of an accurate term. For those of you that watched the video on Thursday, talked about that green line right there at 27 as a level of support. And you can see that later on in the day. You can see price came down and hovered right around that area and managed to hold up above it. So from that point of view, so far so good. The level that you would want to see act as support did indeed hold as support. And 27 cents, I mean, I'm not going to call it a do or die level, but it is definitely very important, because if the price were to come down here and break through that area and go down and pull some sort of maneuver like that, I mean, what would that be doing as far as the overall price is concerned? Well, that would be starting to put the price right back inside of that range where it was before this big old movement right there occurred. And, not to insult your intelligence, but you don't want to see price movements going back to where they were. You want to see some sort of sign of progress, and that quote-unquote sign of progress, again, being denoted right there at 27 cents. So overall, nice day. Pulled back a little bit, but still got the chance to build that higher base. So let's see how this one plays out next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.